Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete your Reddit account from your Android phone or iOS phone. So I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove your account or deactivate your account by using your Reddit application. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my Android app, screen, and this if you're using iPhone you can follow the same step. Okay, go to the Reddit. I'm going to show you the two way. If first will not work, I will show you the another way. Okay, so just open your Reddit application first and go to this option. You click on your profile photo or username, and now here you can see the setting. Click on setting. In setting, just scroll down and click on help and center. It will be bring you the next page, which is help center of Reddit. So here you have to search deactivation. So one link will be pop up here, which is how do I deactivate my account. Just click on it and now just scroll down. Okay, select this. How do I deactivate my account? Erase. Just come back, click on this link. Don't click here there, just click on it. So now the blog will be open. Now just scroll down and you can click on this account setting links. Click on this, then it will take you directly to your account. Okay, if this not work, if it is not directly, if this is not did not take you in the directly this account, which is browser option, you can, I will show you again, I will show later. First, if you come here, then just scroll down and here you can see deactivation account. Just click on it, then you have to enter your feedback option that you why you want to leave to Rediff, and just enter your username password. Just click on I understood the deactivation are not recoverable, and just click on deactivate, then you will be deactivated. Okay, if this not work for you, then you have to go in browser, open your browser, Safari browser or any, log in with the Reddit and go, and this will be open like this. Now this time you have to log in with your browser. If you're using iPhone, that maybe you have Safari, or you have an Android phone, if you have Android phone, maybe you are using Chrome browser. Okay, so just click on this three line and just come to the settings. Click on settings and go to the account setting and just open with your browser only. Just click just one, and then it will take you the same page, and just scroll down deactivate from here. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.